Watch this video first. As you can see, I've generated this video for completely free using the secret tool, Dreamina AI. It uses Seedance 1.0 for video generation, and it's insanely awesome. If you want to generate videos like this, then make sure you stick till the end. So, you'll need a VPN too. You can use any free VPN. I'm using Urban VPN. First, I'll set my VPN location to an African country, like I've set mine to this one. Next step, now search for Dreamina AI on Google. Click on the first link that shows up. You'll see an interface like this. Now you have to sign up or sign in here, so I'll just click on sign in here. Then check the box and again click sign in. And then continue with Google. After signing up, check your credits. Right now I have 0 credits and I can't choose the AI video option either. So now we'll open the VPN again and change the location to the United Kingdom or the US. After reconnecting the VPN, refresh the website. And boom, the AI video option is now enabled. Now you can create as many videos as you want for free and use a bunch of features completely free. Now I'll give you proof. First, click on AI video. After clicking on it, just enter the prompt of the video you want. I'm entering this prompt as an example. Then I'll choose the latest video generation model from here, and then change the video duration to 10 seconds. And now select the ratio you want. I'm selecting 16:9 ratio. Then click on Generate. The generation process may take up to 3 minutes, so wait until your video is ready. See, the video is generated. Look how good it is. Now just click on it and download it from here. Let's preview the video.